Today's do-it-yourself is gonna be a bird bath, and it's peeling, so I'm gonna be repainting it and giving it a fresh coat of paint. Make sure that you dust all the dry paint off after you finish scraping, and then paint it. So that's what I'm doing. So this is how it looks right now. It's all white, and I use this paint that's interior and exterior paint from Sherwin-Williams. So it seems to do the job fine. So this is an outdoor bird bath, and I have the bottom part that I need to paint also, and I'll show you when I'm finished. Hello guys, this is the end of the do-it-yourself refreshing your bird bath. And I've staged it in my garden, and it's ready to be used by the birds. It has water. I did a solid white color, and let me show you around it. I have some hanging plants and a hummingbird feeder, and this is in my garden in the backyard. Thanks for watching my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. See you on the next do-it-yourself project. Thank you.